Hello, I am working on Microsoft Excel Associate Lesson 2, Manage Data Cells and Ranges, Exercise 1, Learn to Reference Cells in Other Worksheets. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Start and watch it load. All right, on occasion, you may need to use data on another worksheet or another workbook. This is referred to as cell referencing. So in cell C4, type quarter Q2R, QTR1, and type C6, type equal, but do not press enter yet. Click the quarter 1 worksheet and select cell F6. F6. Notice that a marquee now appears around cell F6, that's this dotted line, and the formula bar shows in single quotes quarter 1, that's referencing the worksheet, cell F6. Press enter. Enter. Submit. Okay, take a look at how the autofill feature can be used to copy and paste data. Select cell C6 in the company worksheet. So I'm in company worksheet C6. Press Control C, then select C7 to C8, and press Control V. Notice that Excel automatically adjusts only the cell reference part while keeping the worksheet reference component unchanged. So here you can see that we're still referencing worksheet quarter 1, but instead of F6, we're referencing F7 and F8. Select cell C4, then click the autofill handle. There's C4 in the bottom right corner, and drag it across the worksheet to column F. So I'm going to make sure that my cursor is a black solid plus sign and click it across to F. And then I've filled into quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Submit. In cell D6, type equal. Then select quarter 2 worksheet and click F6 and press enter. And there we go. Then select D7 to D8 and press Control V. So I want to copy this to these. Done with that one. Oh, just wait, there's more. Repeat step 1 for E6, but referencing cell F6 in the quarter 3 worksheet. Oops, I forgot to press the equal sign. I'm going to press equal, then I'm going to quarter 3, and I want F6. Press enter, and I'm going to copy and paste. Then I'm guessing I'm doing the same thing in F6. I want to press equal, quarter 4, enter, copy, and paste. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do it that way. I wonder if it'll count it right. I was supposed to read the directions and select E6 to F6 and drag the autofill handle to the bottom corner down to cell F8. Well, I'm going to submit it and we'll see if it counts it. Yay! It counted it. Score 3 for 3. Finish.